After you open the official website of Calcgen Solutions and log into your account, you will see your name displayed on the upper right corner. Move your cursor towards it, a drop-down menu is shown. From the options given, select My Dashboard, which will direct you towards your profile page. Go to the left corner of the profile page, and press the My Apps button. You will find the applications that have been subscribed. In this case, click on Piping DB. You are in the home page of the app. Here, you will find the menu bar on the topmost part where there are several tools such as Searching Tool, My Apps, Forum, Support, and User drop-down icon. Selecting My Apps will direct you to the page showing all the featured applications provided by Calcgen Solutions. Selecting Forum will direct you to the discussion forum page where you can have interactions with the other users as well. By selecting Support, you will be directed to the support page where you can send a direct email to the Calcgen Solutions if you need any help or support in using this app or provide feedback if any. When you select the user drop-down icon in the top left side, you will see a drop-down menu through which you can either go to your dashboard or log out. Now let us learn to use several piping tools provided by this app. In the navigation bar, just below the top menu bar, you can see several tabs: flange, fitting, gaskets, valves, and line blank. I will take one example from these tabs. You will be able to use all the other tabs after watching this video. When you hover your mouse on the flange tab, you will see 3 sub-menus in the drop-down. These are the 3 ASME standards that are used to design a flange. Let us take ASME B16.5 as an example. After pressing this tab, you will see a selection box with a text saying please select an option. Clicking this box will show a drop-down menu showing several types of flange. Let us take welding neck flange for an example. You can track down the information about the weld neck flange according to its class, size, face and schedule. By clicking the drop-down option just below the class, you will see a list of all the classes such as 150, 300 and so on. Select any one that you require. By clicking the drop-down option just below the size, you can select the particular size of the flange that you want. By clicking the drop-down option just below the face, you can select either a raised face flange or a ring-type joint flange. By pressing the drop-down option just below the schedule, you can select the schedule of the flange you require. In the right side of the page, you will find a diagram of welding neck flange with all the dimensional information. The diagram also includes other information such as the weight of the flange, weight of studs, bolts and nuts, stud bolt length and stud bolt size. Likewise, you can get dimensional information of other piping tools provided by this app in a similar manner. Thanks for watching. Calcgen Solutions.